Happy. He feels happy when he plays with his dog. Happy. He feels happy when he plays with his dog. Sad. She looks sad because she lost her sunglasses. Sad. She looks sad because she lost her sunglasses. Nice. She is a nice person. Nice. She is a nice person. Good. He did a good job. Good. He did a good job. Bad. That was a bad idea. Bad. That was a bad idea. Big. That is a big house. Big. That is a big house. Small. She has a small cat. Small. She has a small cat. Fast. The car is very fast. Fast. The car is very fast. Slow. The turtle is slow. Slow. The turtle is slow. Old. My grandfather is an old man. Old. My grandfather is an old man. Young. My sister is young. Young. My sister is young. Hot. The soup is hot. Hot. The soup is hot. Cold. I am drinking cold water. Cold. I am drinking cold water. Heavy. This box is heavy. Heavy. This box is heavy. Light. The bag is light. Light. The bag is light. Clean. This room is clean. Clean. This room is clean. Dirty. The floor is dirty. Dirty. The floor is dirty. New. She has a new bike. New. She has a new bike. Tall. He is a tall man. Tall. He is a tall man. Short. My brother is short. Short. My brother is short. Soft. This blanket is soft. Soft. This blanket is soft. Hard. The rock is hard. Hard. The rock is hard. Beautiful. She is a beautiful dancer. Beautiful. She is a beautiful dancer. Ugly. The old building looks ugly. Ugly. The old building looks ugly. Strong. He is strong. Strong. He is strong. Weak. He feels weak today. Weak. He feels weak today. Rich. They live in a rich neighborhood. Rich. They live in a rich neighborhood. Poor. We visited a poor town. Poor. We visited a poor town. Easy. The game is easy to play. Easy. The game is easy to play. Difficult. Mathematics can be difficult. Difficult. Mathematics can be difficult. Polite. He is always polite. Polite. He is always polite. Rude. That was a rude comment. Rude. That was a rude comment. Warm. It's warm outside today. Warm. It's warm outside today. Cold. She shivered in the cold wind. Cold. She shivered in the cold wind. Bright. The sun is bright. Bright. The sun is bright. Dark. It's dark in the room. Dark. It's dark in the room. Fresh. I love the fresh air. Fresh. I love the fresh air. Active. Our dogs are very active. Active. Our dogs are very active. Cute. The baby is cute. Cute. The baby is cute. Brave. He is a brave firefighter. Brave. He is a brave firefighter. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. See you in the next video. Goodbye.